episode 5.
Yo, where's the movie?
Today we're going to be turning this satin Forever 21 jacket into a Rick Owens type designer jacket. I love the color on it. It's a nice nude color. Here are the materials that we're going to be using for today. All of this you can find it at your local Walmart. All of it is very affordable. Now I know that Rick Owens likes a lot of ribbon type design, so I bought some ribbons. I got some nice gems to make it shine more. You guys already know I like to work with Forever 21. So I'm basically just going to glue the ribbons in the same exact way that I seen in the picture for the Rick Owens jacket that I was mimicking. This is how I started off, and I'm going to speed through to show you guys how I got to my completed jacket. I use these silver letters to show off my clothing line, Bad Influence, as well as the O's for the ribbons.